Want to see how far you have come? Post-assessments are the ultimate knowledge checkpoints, helping you evaluate your progress and lock in what you have learned. To get started, you can access the post-assessment either through the course dashboard or from your school's LMS via LTI link. On the post-assessment page, you will find 3 modes: Learn, Test, and Review. Let's break them down. At the top left corner, you can bookmark, rate confidence, and add notes. Click on the side pane on the left to navigate to other questions. Learn mode is all about instant feedback. With every question, you will see the correct answer, the wrong answer, and an explanation. In test mode, you will attempt questions under exam-like conditions. Finally, review mode lets you see all the correct answers and detailed explanations. Now, click on the Go Back button on the bottom right corner to go back to the dashboard and explore other course components. Post-assessments reinforce and challenge your knowledge. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, test yourself, and celebrate how far you've come. For more help videos, please visit www.uCertify.com/support.